from the Hero Hat Company, the Hero Junior. It's a new indie hat. I'm excited about this. Packaged very well. Lots of tape. Did not skimp on the tape. You could tell how much somebody cares by how much tape they use. There's an ant on my camera. Stupid ant. All right, what is this? I also got some socks. That's really cool. I got 2 pair of them. What a guy. Ooh, this looks good. Isn't that cool? Let's take this sucker out. I'm excited about this. This is cool. Joshua Albert von Kaufman sent me this out of the kindness of his own heart. And I am so excited to get into this. I got it open crowned. He'll shape it for you if you want. But I got it open crowned so I could shape it to how I want to shape it. Ooh, look at that. Hey, that looks good, huh? That looks really good. The coloring is really good. The ribbon work is very good. Look at that ribbon. Check that out, would you? Ooh, it's got some stiffness to it, but it's not too stiff. I'm digging this. This looks good. Okay, and the crown is nice and stiff. So this is gonna be a stiff crown, which is good. All right, let's put it on. Let's see what it looks like on. All open crowned. There we go. And I requested a 58. And I am going to do a shaping video on this. I can't wait to get involved in it. I am very impressed with this. Albert, thank you so much. The Hero Hat Company, the Hero Junior. I really like the liner. I like the graphic in there. That looks really good. For old eyes like mine, you can definitely read that. Size 58. The ribbon is very nice. Very nice ribbon. This is the flattest brim I've ever received on a hat. And I really like that. I really do like that. It kind of piques my imagination and what I can do with this. It's like a clean slate. Perfect. So the next thing I'm going to do is throw some dollar bills in there. Right here. The liner's glued in, which I also like. That way you can easily get it out with care. Like if you're going to take out your glued in liner, you got to take care with it. There's a dang gnat or something that's getting in here. It is a muggy day today and we have got bugs galore. Hats prevent gnats from trying to get in your ears. I'm going to try this, just a little dry crease, to see how it takes a dry crease. Because everything I do to a hat, I want to put it on camera and show you guys what I'm doing, so you'll know what I'm doing, good, bad, or ugly. Because I make mistakes, made plenty of them in my life, and I'm going to make plenty more. So let's see if it takes a dry crease. This is stiff. I just want you to know that right off the bat, it's stiff. Let's see. Ah, look at this, huh? And I'll probably have to steam it to set it. It is wool, and really with any hat you have to steam it to set it, I think. Some hats will take a dry crease, and that's all you got to do is dry crease them. Let's see. And let's put in. If you'd like to order a Hero Junior, you can use the link in the description of this video, and also use the code HATLIFE to receive $10 off of your purchase. Because unlike rabbit, when you're messing with wool, when you're fooling with wool, manipulating wool dry and not with steam or water, it doesn't have that spidering effect. You can get that spidering effect with rabbit, and I don't know if you can with beaver. I've never done it with beaver, but I did with rabbit. got a spidering effect when I was messing with it dry. And this way, I won't get that spidering effect. So let's see. It's looking like a hat. Aha! Look at that, would you? Nice. And it is a little big on me because, like I say, I requested a 58, and I expect 58s to be a little bit big on me to begin with, but then because I do wear them in the Alabama heat, and you can see I'm shiny. I look like I have a clear coat on me. In the Alabama heat and humidity, hats shrink a lot. So, or the sweatbands shrink a lot. Not necessarily the hat itself, but the sweatband will shrink a lot. So that's why I get 58s. Look at here, huh? Look at that. And I haven't really done, I mean, this is all I've done. You've seen what I've done to it. So what I'll have to do is, he suggested I steam it. I will do what he suggested, and I will use some steam on it. Let's see. This is a nice hat. Look at it in the sunlight. Can you see that? Isn't that nice? That's nice. I really like the coloring. He picked a really good felt because this, like I say, is taking a bit of a dry crease. I will tell you that this already feels better than the Cotswold. The Cotswold hat is a nice hat, don't get me wrong, but you can tell that this is made to be an indie hat. And see, it's trying to pop out on that dry crease, which is to be expected. Going to have to shoot it with some steam. I'm really digging this hero hat, I've got to tell you. The color of it. The Hero Hat Company. The Hero Junior. A very fine hat that I can't wait to start playing with, as evidenced by me just playing with it. Look at that, huh? That's a nice looking hat. The color's great. Ribbon's great. Stitching work is great. The brim cutting is great. Accurate to the movies. I don't know if you had one particular movie in mind, but I think you could use this with any of the movies. I would have to say that if you're going to go for screen accuracy and you want a more economical alternative to the Advantage Harrison or the Federation 4, this is a great economical alternative. Now, I know it's a little tall right now. It's a little big all the way around, but I haven't finished shaping it yet. I mainly want you to see the color and see how easy it was to get some shape in it just on a dry crease. And you saw exactly what I did. I mean, it's got that flat brim. That would really lend well to making it into a Raiders hat. The flat brim like it is. See how flat that is? That's just super flat, which is what the Raiders hat had. It didn't have much of a flange on it at all. All right, well, I will do a hat shaping video soon. I will shoot it tomorrow, and I will get it out there hopefully tomorrow evening, if all goes well. Shoot me a comment and let me know what you think. I really like it, and I'm excited to start playing with it. A Hero Junior. Have you been one of the lucky fellows enough to get one of these right now, and you have one? Let me know in the comments what you think about it, because I'll tell you right now, I'm impressed. I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. All right, so thank you so much, Joshua Albert von Kaufman and the Hero Hat Company. I really appreciate it. This is a wonderful, wonderful gift. All right, Well, until we see you again, y'all have a wonderful day and God bless.